Are you a developer? Then you need to answer this question. Which is first, Git or GitHub? Take 5 seconds and comment down your answer. As we all know, Git is used for version control. It was created by Linus Torvalds. Initially released in April 2005, it was developed in response to the need for a distributed version control system that could handle Linux kernels, rapid development, and large-scale collaboration. But GitHub, it was created by Tom Preston Werner, Chris Vanstra, PJ Hind, and Scott Chapin. It was launched in April 2008. Later, the 3 years Git was released, and it was created to provide user-friendly web interface for Git repositories, making developers easy interactions. If you want to know more about Git and GitHub, check out the link in the description.